Welcome to YOUCANIC. We have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 here, and we're going to go over where you would check and add your brake fluid and slash the brake fluid reservoir. So our brake fluid reservoir is located right here on the left hand side of the engine bay, or the driver's side. Right, your battery sits right here, and then we have our brake fluid reservoir, and we have a minimum and we have a maximum. We are right here in the middle. Putting new brakes, so this will be coming up, but this will gradually go down as the brake fluid is pushed into your calipers. But you'll want to make sure that we never get below the minimum, because we don't want air into the brake fluid line. So if you need to just add some brake fluid, you'll make sure you clean off this cap and clean the surrounding area, and then be able to twist the cap off and add some .3 brake fluid in here up to the max, and then be able to put the cap on to keep the moisture out. And then if this constantly goes down, you'll need to be looking, where is your brake fluid going and why is it leaking? And so that's where you would check and add brake fluid to your vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.